Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create a Tonkeeper Ton wallet. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create your Tonkeeper Ton wallet. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, to create your Tonkeeper wallet, it is very simple. So just follow all the steps. Now, open your Play Store or your App Store and then search for the Tonkeeper. So you can see your Tonkeeper Ton wallet over here. So make sure you select this one. Now once you have downloaded this application from Play Store or your App Store, just go ahead and then open this application. Now once you open this application, you can see create new wallet and you can see import existing wallet. So let's create a new one. So just click on create new wallet. So click on that. Now once you click on that, you can see create new passcode. So just click on create new passcode. So you have to make sure you select a code that you don't forget. So let me select a new passcode or my password. So you can see I have selected my password. So you can see get instant notifications. So you have to enable notifications over here. So click on enable and allow. Now once you click on allow, boom, your account is created. But please, you have to make sure you don't forget your passcode, the 4 passcode that 4-digit passcode that you selected. Now once you are done with that, you are not done. You have to back up your recovery phrase manually. So this is very, very important. So now you can see over here, you can see your balance and you can see your address over here. So you can copy anytime you want to share your wallet. So but the most important thing over here is click on the settings at the top right corner, and once you click on that, since we want to back up our recovery phrase manually, so click on backup. And once you click on backup, please, this is very, very important, so pay attention. And you can see manual, and you can see over here back up your wallet manually by writing down the recovery phrase. So you have to write this down. So click on backup manually, and once you click on that, you can see this is very, very important. You can see attention, and you can see please read the following carefully before viewing your recovery phrase. So you can see never enter your recovery phrase any other place than Tonkeeper to access your wallet. And you can see the second one says Tonkeeper support never ask for a recovery phrase. And you can see the last one, everybody with your recovery phrase can access your wallet. So this is very, very important. So click on continue over here. So you have to pay attention to this. So now you can see I have to enter my passcode to continue, and then you can see my recovery phrase over here. This is very, very, very important. So you have to write all these down. So you have to write all these down over here. So just write them down. You can't see mine because for security reasons I have covered mine, or I have blurred mine, because you can see write down these words with their numbers and store them in a safe place. So this is very, very important. So now click on check backup And now you can see they are asking 1. So what was written at number 1, number 18, and number 3? So you can see, let's see if you have got everything right. Enter word 1, 18, and also 19. So you have to write them somewhere and then enter, or you can take a screenshot of it and then save it somewhere. This is very, very important. So let me enter mine, but I'll cover it for security reasons. And then let me enter number 18. And then 19. Then you enter done, and you can see now I'm done. So you can see I'm now done with everything. So this is very, very simple. By doing this, you have now created your Tonkeeper wallet. So this is very, very simple. So now once you have created your Tonkeeper wallet, you can now link your hamster combat. This is very, very simple, and you can use it to withdraw a lot of coins. So this is very, very amazing. So all you need to do is to just follow the steps and create your account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video